In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Timetable on Notion. Notion is a versatile tool that makes organizing your schedule simple and efficient. And with a well-structured timetable, you can visualize your day, week, or month at a glance. Whether you are managing classes, meetings, or personal tasks, this tutorial will guide you step by step to set up a timetable that suits your workflow perfectly. First, log into your Notion account, and you'll be directed to your homepage. This is your central hub for creating, accessing, and managing all of your notes and ongoing projects. From here, navigate to the page where you want your timetable to appear. You can select an existing page or create a new one specifically for planning purposes. Choosing a relevant section helps keep your workspace neat and ensures that all your information is easy to find. Once you're on the correct page, it's time to add the timetable. Click anywhere on the page to activate the cursor and type /table. This shortcut brings up a menu of table options quickly. From the menu, select Table View. This format creates a structured grid, which is ideal for organizing your schedule and clearly visualizing your activities, whether they are classes, appointments, or project tasks. After your table is created, it's important to customize it according to your needs. Click Add Property to add extra columns to your timetable. You can define columns for date, time, activity, and notes, depending on what information you need to track. Notion allows you to set different property types for each column, such as text, date, checkbox, or select options. Using a date property for deadlines or a checkbox for completed tasks adds clarity and improves your organizational workflow. Take a moment to adjust each column so it aligns with your planning style. Enter your data carefully, and if needed, add additional rows by clicking New Page at the bottom of the table. This ensures your timetable remains flexible and can accommodate any changes in your schedule. With these steps complete, your timetable is fully functional and ready to use. Remember to update it regularly to keep your schedule accurate and aligned with your current commitments. By customizing your timetable continuously, Notion helps you not only track your time, but also boost productivity and efficiency. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.